So this is like one of our most popular drinks.
Yep.
Super simple, just gonna...
A little bit of ice.
Ice. And then we're gonna fill this all the way up to the top, okay?
Cool.
Yep, and a little splash of juice.
Just a little splash, not too much?
Yeah, not too much, just a wee splash.
Then what are you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna shake it up.
Shake it up.
Great. And you just fill it up.
Yeah, make sure none of the ice gets in there though, okay? So make sure that this stays like pretty tight together.
That's not my, it's my turn?
One more thing, you gotta garnish it.
Okay, let's see if I remember this.
Let's go.
Ice.
Got your ice.
Some vodka.
You gotta measure?
Oh.
Yeah, yep. All the way.
All the way?
Yeah, try not to spill it.
No spillage. And then, oh, a little bit of juice?
Just a wee bit, not, okay.
Be a strong one.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, no ice, please. What about your garnish? I said no ice. Remember, you need to keep the glasses together.
No ice?
Do you know how disgusting and unsanitary it is you dipping your hand into someone's drink?
My hands are clean. Garnish. A little bit of this.
Just, yep.
Just an olive. Just like that.
Yeah.
I know you're
We'll work on it.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll work on it as much as we can. Oh, hey there, handsome.
Howdy. I'll have a rum and coke.
You having a good night so far?
I am.
Yeah?
Just got a little better.
Are you here alone tonight?
Yep. Came alone, hoping to leave with someone.
Oh, really? Do you work out a lot?
I do.
Yeah?
I try.
Yeah, you look really good.
Thanks. There's a little more underneath here.
Oh, yeah? On your way, and hopefully we'll see you later.
Count on it.
Yeah? Oh, thank you so much.
Keep the change.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I grab a vodka martini, please?
Yeah, you sure can. Man, you're one handsome lady, aren't you?
Have you done this before?
Yeah. No, I got it.
That's not vodka. Okay.
I'm making it just for you.
Right.
Special just for you. There you go. Thank you.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.